Josh here from Harmony Music Academy, and I'm going to give you some advice on how you can best prepare for your one-to-one drum lessons, group drum lessons, and even online drum courses. And I'm also going to give you some advice on how you can get the best out of them as well. The first thing is treat yourself to some drumsticks. They're around about £10, which is equivalent to $14 or $15. So they're not too expensive. Invest in yourself. Whilst you don't need a full drum kit to start off, or even a set of sticks will help you to work on your wrist motion and will show your willingness to want to learn to your drum tutor as well. Secondly, get yourself an A4 document wallet and fill it with some blank pieces of paper as well as a pen. This will allow you to keep any sheets given to you by your drum tutor organised, and will also allow you to make your own notes as well, which moves me on to the next topic. Write down your own notes within your lesson. This will, number one, free up your tutor's time to actually have a little bit more of a hands-on lesson on the drum kit, and also it's a great way of memorizing what you've been learning in the lesson. The extra benefit to writing your own notes down is you'll always understand your own writing. So if you ever need to double check anything that you've ran over before and forgotten, when you look at it, it will make a lot more sense to you because you've wrote it down yourself. My fourth piece of advice applies more to in-between lessons, but feel free to try things yourself. Your tutor wants you to do this. The best thing that you can do is try things, bring them to your lesson, and then ask for your tutor's advice and approach on what you've been trying or researching. Finally, my last piece of advice would be just have patience. When you're playing something, don't get frustrated or expect it to instantly come and you be able to play it fast. Every professional drummer was once a beginner, and they became professionals and so good because they worked hard and had a lot of patience. In conclusion, treat yourself to your own set of drumsticks, get yourself an A4 document wallet and put some blank paper in there and a pen. Write your own notes down, it will work on your memory. Don't be scared to try things yourself, and have patience. If you've enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to our channel. I do leave regular drum lessons every single week and free advice. If you want to know more about my online drum courses, there is a link in the description below. Click it and you can go through and have a look at what I've got to offer you.